Ang lesson na to ay tungkol sa English adverb na almost. Almost, na ang translation sa Filipino ay halos. Ang almost ay karaniwang inilalagay bago ang isang salita na siyang dahilan kaya nag-iiba ang meaning nito. Halimbawa, ang salitang dry o tuyo, kapag nilagyan mo ng almost sa unahan o almost dry, iba na ang meaning, nagiging malapit ng matuyo o patuyo pa lang or halos tuyo na. Narito ang ilang mga salita kung saan ikinakabit ang almost. Almost plus adjectives, as in, almost finished. Kahulugan, halos tapos na. Almost as famous as, halos kasing sikat. Almost impossible, halos imposible, etc. Next, almost plus indefinite pronouns. Almost everybody, halos lahat ng tao. Almost all, halos lahat. Almost no one, halos wala ni sino man, etc. Next, almost plus the word every, like almost every day, meaning halos araw-araw. Almost every night, halos gabi-gabi. Almost every year, halos taon-taon, etc. Next, we have almost plus quantity, number, or time. Example, almost 10 minutes. Halos 10 minuto. Almost 20 years. Halos 20 taon. Almost 60 kilos. Halos 60 kilo. Almost 10 o'clock. Halos 10:00, etc. Next is almost plus adverb. Almost always. Halos palagi. Almost never. Halos hindi. At ang panghuli ay ang almost plus verb kung saan madalas ay nagiging muntik na ang nagiging kahulugan sa Tagalog sa halip na halos. Halimbawa, almost forgot, meaning muntik nang makalimutan. Almost lost, muntik nang maiwala or muntik nang mawala. Let's now look at some example sentences. The laundry is almost dry. The laundry is almost dry. Kahulugan, halos tuyo na ang labada. They had been dating for almost 3 years. They had been dating for almost 3 years. Halos 3 taon na silang magkasintahan. He is almost as tall as Luisito, but skinnier. He is almost as tall as Luisito, but skinnier. Halos kasing tangkad niya si Luisito, pero mas payat siya. The work is almost done. The work is almost done. Halos tapos na ang trabaho. Almost everyone owns a car these days. Almost everyone owns a car these days. Halos lahat ng tao ngayon ay merong kotse. He calls his girlfriend almost every day. He calls his girlfriend almost every day. Halos araw-araw niyang tinatawagan ng girlfriend niya. She has been to almost all cities in Asia. She has been to almost all cities in Asia. Nakarating na siya sa halos lahat ng syudad sa Asya. I'm upset because almost no one wished me on my birthday. I'm upset because almost no one wished me on my birthday. Naiinis ako kasi halos walang bumati sa akin nung birthday ko. I spent almost 13 years in Qatar. I spent almost 13 years in Qatar. Halos 13 taon akong nasa Qatar. It was almost 8 o'clock when we left. It was almost 8 o'clock when we left. Halos alas 8 na nang umalis kami. We were bitten by mosquitoes almost every night. We were bitten by mosquitoes almost every night. Halos gabi-gabi kaming kinagat ng mga lamok. Almost all the passengers on the ferry were Chinese. Almost all the passengers on the ferry were Chinese. Halos lahat ng pasahero ng lancha ay mga Incheck. The two brothers are almost inseparable. The two brothers are almost inseparable. Halos hindi mapaghiwalay ang magkapatid. I almost never leave the house. I almost never leave the house. Halos hindi na ako umaalis ng bahay. Almost no one came to her party. Almost no one came to her party. Halos walang pumunta sa party niya. I've lived here for almost 10 years. I've lived here for almost 10 years. Halos 10 taon na akong nakatira rito. We've been waiting for almost 2 hours. We've been waiting for almost 2 hours. Halos 2 oras na kaming naghihintay. The recipe made almost 10 fritters. The recipe made almost 10 fritters. Nakagawa ng halos 10 okoy ang recipe. She told her friend almost all her secrets. She told her friend almost all her secrets. Sinabi niya sa kaibigan niya halos lahat ng sikreto niya. Their house is almost opposite ours. Their house is almost opposite ours. Halos katapat lang namin ang bahay nila. Don't quit because you're almost done. Don't quit because you're almost done. Huwag kang tumigil kasi halos patapos ka na. He worked in Canada for almost 20 years. He worked in Canada for almost 20 years. Halos 20 taon siyang nagtrabaho sa Canada. The bottle is almost empty. The bottle is almost empty. Halos wala nang laman ng bote. His voice is almost inaudible. His voice is almost inaudible. Halos hindi marinig ang boses niya. He is almost 40 years old. He's almost 40 years old. Halos 40 anyos na siya. Their house almost collapsed in the earthquake. Their house almost collapsed in the earthquake. Halos gumuho ang bahay nila sa lindol. We spoke to almost 100 people. We spoke to almost 100 people. Nakipag-usap kami sa halos 100 tao. Almost no one believed him. Almost no one believed him. Halos walang naniwala sa kanya. The war lasted almost a year. The war lasted almost a year. Halos 1 taong tumagal ang gera. It's almost 12 feet in height. It's almost 12 feet in height. Halos 12 talampakan ang taas niyan. I'll be away for almost 2 weeks. I'll be away for almost 2 weeks. Halos 2 linggo akong mawawala. It was almost noon when the meeting adjourned. It was almost noon when the meeting adjourned. Halos tanghali na nang matapos ang meeting. I like almost all of them. I like almost all of them. Halos lahat yan gusto ko or halos lahat sila gusto ko. I almost forgot my keys. I almost forgot my keys. Munti ko nang makalimutan ang susi ko. I almost lost my wallet. I almost lost my wallet. Munti ko nang maiwala ang pitaka ko.